Morning, my name is Sohail. Today my topic is on rover mission using Java technology. Rover mission using Java technology. Man who is in a good explorer by nature is trying to invade his new planet, the Mars, with the help of Java. Enables rover, but both Java and rover are wonder created by man. Java technology today is good for general purposes, commuting and GUIs, but it is not been ready for use of control system like software and the rover Golden Gate projects to use RTSG real-time specification for Java to develop a system of control software that can be used on a rover. The places where NASA scientists have used Java for the machine is all on the ground side right now. They have created this collaborative compound and system called Maestro, which is the combination of data visualization, collaboration, command and control. Java RTS enables developers of real-time applications to take full advantage of Java language ecosystem while maintaining the predicates of the current of real-time development platforms. Java RTS also bring the world of real-time programmers of currently using the Java technology to create the application. Golden Red program is being worked which create the wood as the API of the real-time operating system in the future missions. Java 3D and Java Advanced Imagining Technology of the software JPL. Java, due to its unique feature like platform independency, rich set of API libraries such as RD modeling and APIs imagining API machine data system to control the physical system. Java Twins Mars splits an opportunity of exploring opposite side of red planet to search for evidence of past or present water. The use of rover machine is to know about the planet which has water or not. Kicking off the mission planet to last 90 days. Then the operation of all days and transmit the resulting images and data backups to Earth at the end of the day. Within 24 hours 40 minutes. Planning is done during the Martin night and there are strict deadlines openings of new rover instruction. In current mission, the software on the ground to create the compound to send to the rover and control software that actually sits on the rover are two different systems with nothing in common. What's being in the wind reverse system? Golden Rate is being worked upon which create code that would replace the priority of APIs and real-time operating system MDS or mission data system. Greatly communicated is created between the flight system on rovers and the ground system. All the essential using real-time specification for Java RTGs are the more seamless development environment for the entire system. Java language called the ground sites controlled by that sends signals to the Mars rovers. Conclusion: we all know that Java emerged from hands of Gosling teams were trying to program an application which could work effectively on the electronic devices. It was successfully and so Java spread over the world due to its unique feature. Now we have two rovers on Mars exploring the red planet and the working efficiency in 2004. Rover machine using Java technology. Java technology today is good for generaling purposes, communicating and GUIs and used in control system like software and the rovers. What kind of technology is rover? Rover technology can be ranging from the powerful laptops to similar secular phones. The technology which enables the Campbell University has undertaken a research development and demonstration program to enable a robotic lunar mission. Where does the rover mission technology enhance the user experience? We believe that rover technology will greatly enhance the user experience in a large number of places, including visits the museum and parks. The system has been designed specifically to scale the large user population. Rover mission enables the different media formats like the map-based services, transport transaction services, rover physical architect, wireless access infrastructure, services of router controller like location server, media streaming unit, rover database, and logger. Thank you.